Hey folks, new California laws have given us a lot of options with regards to building ADUs. Anything from a small single room all the way up to a large 1,200 square foot unit. Now, deciding on the right size and plan for you really depends on what you're going to do with your ADU. We talk to folks all the time who are thinking about building an ADU, and we hear lots of creative options. So let's talk about some of those. People have always wanted more space, so some of the ADU projects are some of the things that are familiar to us. Things like a guest house, fitness or music studio, a man cave or she shed, or home office. But with the ADU options now available, there's a bunch of new interesting use cases. When we talk to people, we hear about some interesting novel use cases. Here's 4 that I want to share with you. The first one is first-time homebuyers. First-time homebuyers are having trouble affording property in high-priced areas like Los Angeles. So they're looking to buy a home where they can build an ADU, rent it out, and take that revenue and put it towards their mortgage. So the home becomes more affordable for them. Another category of folks really interested in ADUs is investors. They can buy a single-family property, convert the garage, or build an ADU, rent both, and now they have 2 streams of rental income, where in the past they would have only had 1. A third group of folks is families that want to build an ADU to house their aging parents or their boomerang college kids on their property, so they'll build an ADU for that purpose. The 4th use case is seniors or retirees who own their home outright, they don't have a mortgage. They'll build an ADU on their property big enough to house 1 or 2 people. They'll move into that ADU. Then they'll take their main property, rent that out, and use the income from that to subsidize their lifestyle. Please subscribe to our channel for lots more videos on ADUs and garage conversions. And if you're looking for more information, check out GreatBuildz.com. We've got lots of helpful articles about ADUs and garage conversions there. Now, GreatBuildz is a free service that connects homeowners in Los Angeles with reliable pre-screened general contractors. If you happen to be ready to get started with an ADU or garage conversion and want to be connected to the best contractors in LA, reach out to our friendly staff. We're ready to discuss your project.